A thesis is a long-form academic document that presents original research and findings on a specific topic. It's usually written as a requirement for obtaining a higher academic degree, such as a master's or doctoral degree. A thesis typically involves conducting a thorough literature review to understand existing knowledge in the field, formulating research questions or hypotheses, collecting and analyzing data through various research methods, and then presenting and discussing the results in a structured format. In essence, a thesis demonstrates a student's ability to critically analyze information, conduct independent research, and contribute new insights or perspectives to their chosen area of study. It's a substantial piece of scholarly work that requires careful planning, execution, and documentation according to the standards and guidelines set by the academic institution or program. Writing a good thesis involves several key steps and considerations. Here's a general guide to help you write a strong thesis. Choose a clear and specific topic. Select a topic that interests you and is relevant to your field of study. Ensure that the topic is narrow enough to be manageable within the scope of your thesis. Conduct a thorough literature review. Review existing literature and research related to your topic. Identify gaps, controversies, or areas that need further exploration. Develop a strong understanding of the theoretical framework and concepts relevant to your research. Formulate a research question or hypothesis. Based on your literature review, develop a clear research question or hypothesis that your thesis will address. Ensure that your research question is specific, focused, and feasible within the resources available to you. Design a methodology. Decide on the research design and methodology that will best answer your research question or test your hypothesis. Clearly outline your data collection methods, such as surveys, interviews, experiments, or data analysis techniques. Consider ethical considerations and address any potential biases in your research design. Collect and analyze data. Collect data according to your chosen methodology. Use appropriate statistical or qualitative analysis methods to analyze your data and draw meaningful conclusions. Ensure that your analysis is rigorous and supports your research objectives. Organize your thesis structure. Follow a logical structure for your thesis, including an introduction, literature review, methodology, results, discussion, and conclusion. Use clear and concise language, and ensure that each section flows smoothly into the next. Present your findings effectively. Present your findings clearly and accurately, using tables, figures, and graphs where necessary to enhance understanding. Interpret your results in relation to your research question or hypothesis, and discuss their implications within the broader context of your field. Provide critical analysis and discussion. Analyze your results critically, considering alternative explanations and addressing any limitations of your study. Discuss the significance of your findings, their contributions to the field, and potential areas for further research. Write a strong conclusion. Summarize your key findings and their implications. Restate your research question or hypothesis and discuss how your study has contributed to addressing it. Offer recommendations for future research or practical applications based on your findings. Revise and proofread. Edit and proofread your thesis carefully to ensure clarity, coherence, and accuracy. Check for grammatical errors, typos, and formatting issues. Consider seeking feedback from peers, advisors, or mentors to improve the quality of your thesis. By following these steps and paying attention to detail throughout the writing process, you can create a good thesis that demonstrates your research skills, critical thinking abilities, and contributions to your field of study.